This video explains how to take Mie Kotsu Bus. The door at the back of the bus is the entrance, and the door at the front is the exit. If you pay the fare in cash, take a ticket from the ticket machine. If you pay the fare with an Ise card, scan your card. There are priority seats on the bus. Priority seats have this mark. It is for disabled, elderly, or pregnant people. Check the fare and destination at the front of the bus. Please press the button before the bus arrives at the next stop.
Have some cash ready before you get off the bus.
When you want to charge exchange money, you can use exchange machine next to the payment box, which can also break down bills. If you pay in cash, put your cash and ticket in the payment box. If you pay with an Ise card, scan your card.